do this together. All right. Good morning, people. So I'm in Dr. Patrick office. This is Dr. Patrick assistant. Ça c'est Dr. Patrick assistant yo. Ça c'est bureau Dr. Patrick, OK? Ça c'est bureau Dr. Patrick là. Dr. Patrick fait comme paye Dr. Patrick pour le faire comme Dr. Patrick botch moi. Dr. Patrick botch my ass, so he doesn't want to do anything about it. So pour mon kap vini dèyè yo, everybody that's coming next, this is what you're gonna deal with. This is what you're gonna deal with. Li fin m'paye le kop pour m'paye Dr. Patrick kop pour l'opérer, mais ça le fait. OK? Mais ça le fait. Après ça, li fait m'konne, li font assistant, li paye assistant pour l'opérer parce que Dr. Patrick gen trop moun kounya gelè, li pas fait opération nan men moun, c'est moun li paye pour le faire opération yo. So please share live là pour moun k'ap vin là yo, pour yo ka konne ki sa yo ap di. Share the live. Share the fucking live. Share the motherfucking live. Because people need to see what they're fucking coming to deal here. That bullshit. I'm tired of it. I've been really like, I've been calm talking to y'all like people, but y'all think I'm crazy, so now I'm gonna show you guys my crazy fucking side! Told you, I'm fucking crazy. I don't want people to fucking do injustice to me.
What's up?
I need the police.
What's up?
I need the police, yeah.
Óyeme, qué susto, Dios mío. Hay que aguantar vaina, de verdad.
Dr. Patrick butch me. Yes. I pay him to do my surgery, pay somebody else to do mine, and then he butch my body. He gave me one side big while I asked him, he didn't do anything. So now he's playing smart with me. So I'm gonna be smart with him too. So people need to know what the fuck is going on in here. That's what people need to know. People need to know what the fuck is going on here. When you come to Dr. Patrick, you pay him in your money. He's gonna pay somebody $300. Okay? He's gonna pay somebody $300 to perform surgery on you, which might kill you. So you decide what you wanna do with your life. Share the live. Make it reach all the people that need to hear what I'm gonna say. You wanna play fucking smart? Let's do this shit. Let's fucking play. Let's fucking play. Let's fucking play. Does my body look like I have a shape or anything? No. No, now he's playing smart with me. Patrick, I can destroy you too. I can make people stop coming here. I'm gonna do that every fucking day. I'm gonna wake up. I'm gonna fucking telling people what you fucking did to me, so they don't fucking bring their fucking ass there. You don't fucking kill them. Because you should not put fucking paying your assistant to fucking perform no fucking surgery on nobody. I fucking pay you my money from your job.